Hi everyone, this is the project demo of E1772 refactor reputation with service controller. So firstly, let's see what we should to be done. First, we need to replace class variables with instance variables. So let's find it in RubyMine. So this is reputation with service controller .rb file. So we can see at the first place we need to refactor this class variables with instance variables. As we all know, in Ruby, class variables started with this two symbol, and for instance variables we only need it once. So let's refactor it. What's the next is we need to find all the other places using these variables. So let's go to the other method. Let's see. Okay, we can see in the send post request method there are some other class variables, so we change it. So we have done this. So after that, we need to recheck this report. The TAC we need to. The second one is refactor method db query. So let's find this db query method. Okay, we have already found it. db query method, and we need to do first thing is we need move line 26 to 50 before this method, and we go back here. We can see 26 and 250 is the comment line of this method, and we can see it told me this method is about to query the database, and this is query statement. So we just need to move this comment above the method, so that it will easily and easily reading, can make others reading this more easily. So we can I just remove it. Okay, let's focus on the next part. Next part is optional arguments should appear at the end of the argument list. So we can see for the db query method, we can see there is a assignment ID, another assignment ID, and row number, and has topic. Because this another assignment ID is the optional argument, so we need to put this optional arguments all behind all other variables. So we just need to change the position. Yeah, so we have done this, and then we need to rename the variable has topic to has topic. Okay, we can see is the history. Okay, I have done this. And what's the next is we need to use zero method instead of equal 0. So we all know that if we use this, just use as equal 0, it's not very good in Ruby because it's not according to the security part, it's not good. So what we need to do is find that in the file annotation. Oh, this is another one. So we can see this there is so we just need to change this. So what we need to do is actually find the judgment and change it. Let's see. Okay, finish. Let's move on to the next part. We can see T asked me to use find by method instead of dynamic methods, and the nice one. So let's find it. 102. Okay, we can find it. We can see in the original version we use assignment dot find by ID and assignment ID. So we need to change it to find by and use ID. So let's finish. So in line 111, this is inner message we need to delete because it's never used in the whole project. So we just delete it. And then we need to delete 1642. So let's focus. Here we are. So it's about the because we know that this is a case, and I think it's never it's about the design part, so the case is never used and useless. So what we need to do is just delete it. So we should from here delete. Delete. So we need to comment nice 2622. So let's find it. It's about this 3 lines. So we can say that the function of controller is not for output, but just control the update and update the change of the view. So puts is should not be appear in this controller. So we just need to comment out it. And the same reason we need to comment out this line. so as we finish the refactor part,